Pippit AI by CapCut. Is it good in 2025? Let's get started. So, Pippit AI is an AI-powered content creation tool developed by CapCut. It is designed to help e-commerce businesses. Now let's talk about its key features. It offers AI-generated videos, batch image editing, auto-publishing, and commercial license assets. Now let's talk about its pros. So first is, it is user-friendly. It's designed for users without design experience, making content creation accessible. It is also time-saving. It automates the creation of marketing materials, reducing the time spent on manual editing. And lastly, it has integration with Shopify. Seamless integrations allows for easy to use within the Shopify ecosystem. Now let's talk about its cons though. So for its cons, it has limited customization, it has dependence on CapCut ecosystem, and it has potential performance issues. And for the pricing, well, it's currently offered for free through the Shopify app and the store, making it an attractive option for small business. Then, it is also used for startups looking to enhance their marketing efforts without additional costs. So, in conclusion, Pivot AI by CapCut presents a compelling solution for e-commerce businesses seeking to streamline their content creation process. Its AI-driven features can significantly reduce the time and effort required to produce marketing materials. However, potential users should be aware of the limitation in customization and reliance on a CapCut's platform.